Happy freaking New Year, my dudes. 2024. Here we go. Welcome back to Samara Builds, where I'm building a better life. Here is how I'm going to build a better life in 2024 and how you can too. And I promise it's not going to suck. Let's get into it. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I start to make New Year's resolutions, I just already get a weird mix of bored and guilty. I'm not doing that this year. So normally, I have things listed like eat healthy, work out, save money, go to school, learn what a 401k is. I don't know, just boring stuff. And guess what? Life's too short. I want to do awesome stuff. So here's how I'm reframing New Year's resolutions. First of all, you don't have to do any of these kind of things at New Year's. New Year's is kind of like a lot of pressure to do this kind of thing. If you want to put it off a little bit, do it. Just like whenever you feel like assessing your life and maybe making some changes, here are some good ways to do that. So with New Year's resolutions, it's a cool thing. We are trying to improve our lives, trying to do things better this next time around the sun, right? But I would just say reframe those things into something that's a little more fun, maybe a fun challenge, offer yourself a reward at the end of it. Also be realistic with yourself. You're not going to work out 7 days a week if you have only been working out once a month. So be realistic. Make it fun. So sign up for the classes that you're actually going to like when you work out. Make your friend go with you, but do the fun classes, not the hardcore boot camp that promises that you're going to cry all your fat away by the end of it. No, do a fun dance class or, join a team of rowers on the boats. Is that what it's called? You guys know what I'm talking about. And if your goal is to save money, yeah, sit down, figure out your budget, but also do something silly every time I see somebody wear a yellow shirt, I have to put $20 into my savings account. Something like that. Or every time I eat one more piece of candy than I told myself I would, I have to put $5 into my savings account. Something like that, where you're still keeping yourself accountable, still working towards your goals, but it's not according to the facts and figures, I have to not have any fun. That's not what we're doing. We're still having fun. In fact, my number one New Year's resolution is to be more of a silly goose. I'm goosing it up this year. And I honestly can't wait to bring you guys along for that, along the ride. Make a big old fat fool of myself. That's my goal. That's the vibes I'm bringing into 2024. Let me look at my document here. Another common one is eat healthy. So you might think oh, I have to do this strict diet where I can't ever eat chocolate ever again. For me, that's just not realistic or enjoyable. So for me, it's more just trying to find a balance of eat things that make my belly happy and eat things that make my brain happy. So for this would be something I love broccoli. I actually do really like a lot of healthy foods and vegetables. So for me, it would be eat a meal where I have a bunch of broccoli on my plate. And then I'll also just have a couple Oreos after dinner, and I'm not going to beat myself up about it. No beating myself up in 2024. That's another goal of mine. Feel free to steal them. Do more things that make my heart happy. Dress like a witch more. And then, in line with the silly goose thing, just make a goal of something that's fun, that has nothing to do with self-growth or improvement or whatever. My little brother and I play with nunchucks whenever we get together. Bitches better not mess with us.
Yeah. They're coming undone. Yeah.
So I'm going to work on my nunchuck skills. And don't worry, I will post videos. Once again, I'm being a silly goose this year, being a fool. So get ready for it. I also saw something online that I haven't tried myself, but it's something that I want to do, is asking your best friend to make one New Year's resolution for you. Sometimes I feel people, other people can get the outside view of your life and can kind of see hey, maybe this one little change might make a big difference, and maybe it's not something that you would have seen yourself, or they'll just make a fun goal for you guys to do together. Either way, I feel like communication, like it's all going to be helpful, right? And it's also important to remember that like you don't have to complete all of your goals perfectly to have it be a success. Like the one I said, where if you put $20 in your bank account every time you see somebody wear a yellow shirt, even if you do that once, that's $20 that you wouldn't have invested in yourself. So just like relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. Just everybody, let's just like chill for a second. We're trying to have fun, baby. We're trying to like live life to the fullest while still growing and improving. So like take a deep breath. Maybe like make yourself a cute little chart with some stickers and some glitters and color code it and hang it somewhere where you can see where it's motivating. It's not a guilt thing. It's not forcing yourself to become a perfect person, because that's not real. As much as I try to convince my therapist that I will attain it someday, it's not real. We can't be perfect. We're just trying to be better than yesterday, baby. Or maybe last week. I don't know how your day was yesterday. Just try to be a little bit better. Try to keep loving yourself a little bit more. That's another goal of mine, is just to keep loving myself even more. I'm just gonna fill that well of love, and it's an infinite well. Also, I'm just having some like goals of like, I'm just gonna wear like some super cute outfits that normally like I might think like, oh, this is too much for this occasion, or like, what will people think? Who cares? Life is too short. Literally nobody cares except me. And like if I feel like I'm looking cool in a cool outfit, then I'm gonna rock it, baby. I'm gonna keep doing projects on the house, which I will definitely make videos about and keep you guys updated on. I'm excited about this new year. That's not something I can always say. There is a lot of negativity and a lot of pain and heartbreak in the world right now, and I definitely don't want to gloss over any of that. It's important to feel those feelings. It's important to help where you can. That's another great resolution, is to just try to help more people, like volunteering time at a shelter, donating money to certain causes, things like that. Those are like little things that we can do that can add up to a really big difference. So we're doing things that are fun, things that help ourselves, things that help others. Give yourself a big old hug right now. We're going into a new year. Not a new year, new me. It's a new year, new experiences maybe. We'll see. I hope you're having a great day, a great new year. If you're not, maybe tomorrow will be a little bit better. Do one nice thing, drink some water, eat a healthy thing, go for a walk. Let's hold some optimism. Let's hold some hope, because those are extremely powerful things. So let's keep some hope alive. Let me know what your New Year's resolutions are, especially the silly ones. Like, I really want to know. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.